Building self-discipline. We gather today to talk about something profoundly powerful, something that underpins every significant achievement, every sustained effort, and every dream realized. Self-discipline. It isn't a glamorous concept, perhaps, but it is the bedrock upon which consistent progress and true success are built. Think about it. We all have aspirations. We all have moments of inspiration when we envision a fitter self, a more knowledgeable mind, a thriving career, or a meaningful impact on the world. But inspiration, by its very nature, is fleeting. It's a spark, not a sustained flame. What keeps that flame burning, what propels us forward long after the initial excitement has faded, is self-discipline. It's the quiet decision to put in the work when no one is watching. It's the commitment to stick to a plan even when fatigue sets in or distractions beckon. It's choosing the long-term gain over the immediate gratification. It's the daily, often invisible, battles won against procrastination, against doubt, and against the comfortable path. Self-discipline isn't about harsh deprivation, it's about conscious direction. It's about aligning your daily actions with your deepest values and your highest goals. It's about understanding that every small, consistent effort, every deliberate choice creates a ripple effect. Each time you choose discipline, you strengthen that muscle. You build momentum. You create a habit that, over time, becomes an unstoppable force. Consider the athlete who trains relentlessly, not just on game day, but every single day, pushing past discomfort to hone their skills. Consider the scholar who dedicates hours to research and study, even when the subject is challenging, knowing that knowledge is built brick by brick. Consider the entrepreneur who consistently refines their product or service, learning from setbacks and relentlessly pursuing their vision. Their success isn't an accident, it's the direct result of their unwavering self-discipline. The journey to any significant accomplishment is rarely a straight line. There will be obstacles, there will be doubts, there will be moments when giving up seems like the easiest option. This is precisely where self-discipline becomes your most valuable ally. It's the inner compass that keeps you oriented, the internal engine that keeps you moving, even when the path ahead seems unclear. So, how do we cultivate this powerful foundation? It starts with clarity, knowing what you want to achieve and why it matters to you. It requires commitment, making a firm decision to pursue your goals, come what may. And crucially, it demands consistency, showing up day after day, making those small, deliberate choices that accumulate into remarkable progress. Self-discipline is not a burden, it is liberation. It liberates you from the whims of your moods, from the tyranny of distraction, and from the regret of unfulfilled potential. It empowers you to become the architect of your own destiny, to shape your habits, and to build the life you truly desire. Let us embrace self-discipline not as a rigid taskmaster, but as a trusted partner on our journey. Let us recognize its immense power to transform our aspirations into achievements, our efforts into excellence, and our potential into reality. Because when we master self-discipline, we lay the unshakable foundation for consistent progress and ultimately for enduring success. Thank you.